Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Linny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here in Bellevue. Just got up this morning, stayed the night with Simon, as you guys saw in the previous video. But today we're going to be kicking it. I think we're going to go to a car meet tonight in Redmond. But right now, Ray lives in Bellevue, so we're going to go ahead and meet up with him. And then Thomas is going to come up with the Ronin. So we can do some really cool test shots and stuff. Getting ready for some other shoots coming up here soon. I've got some cool plans in store. Make sure you guys watch out for that as well. So hit that notification bell. Make sure you guys are up to date and subscribe if you haven't already. It really means a lot for me and the channel. And yeah, guys, so let's just get today started. Also, guys, huge shout out to Simon. Thank you, man, for letting me stay at your place tonight or last night. Really helpful so that we didn't have to drive up here in the morning. But yeah, whew. I'm ready. Let's do it. Damn, Simon's neighborhood be having some nice stancy boys out here. Let's see if we can get a closer look at this one. I think it's kind of sick. Nice. We have made it to Ray's house. But I see no Ray. This is unfortunate. Waiting for him to either open the garage or open the front door. I don't know which one he's gonna. Oh, the garage is open. Let's go see the Audi. Yeah. Ooh, it's looking mean right now too.
What's up?
What up?
New cat.
Ooh, it looks so good. I like it.
Simple was $680.
Oh my god, that's expensive, yo. Oh my god. Any other performance mode you do?
Well, so just intake and cat alone is already over $1,000.
Jesus, Audis are really expensive to work on.
Yeah, this is $415.
Jesus Christ.
And then there's nothing going on with it.
So, is it 034?
Yeah, 034.
Is that where you get all your stuff from?
That's where I have.
Also 034. Yeah?
That's the resident delay is also 034.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
What is it?
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, my hood is white.
Yeah, this thing's fat, dude.
It's huge, dude.
So much carbon. Pop. Ooh, pop. I like it. This thing's sick.
Let's go to Meat Fresh because not Meat Fresh. Let's go to Happy Level because Meat Fresh isn't open.
S2000. You already know we're in Bellevue. We have to get Happy Lemon or some kind of bubble tea, and my personal favorite, some bubble waffles. It's gonna be primo. I'm so excited. I haven't had breakfast yet this morning. This is gonna be a great start to the day, and we've got a lot of cars coming in today. We've got the car meet, so I'm so ready. Let's do it. Yes.
Thanks for waiting.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Except your what's it called?
Oh my god. Haven't had an OGT in a fat minute. These bubble waffles though?
Let me get decided. Oh shit.
Yo, so we're about to go put this thing up in the air and slam it some more. So, yo. He's chilling. Yo, I kind of want to get a set of these ratcheting wrenches. These would be so helpful. And then also, this torque wrench that he has is beautiful. Ooh. I want one. What a difference. This is what happened to the thing before and after. Oh my, so much cleaner, dude. But these headlights are crazy expensive. Yeah. Don't buy an Audi, guys. How much was that headlight?
$1,400.
$1,400 for one alone. That is so crazy. Oh, dude, that whole set, both of these together, like $150. Yo, we just completed rear camber adjustment. I cambered it completely, and yeah, we lowered a little bit more as well. I can't go too much further than this because the other side's still stuck. Thomas showed up. Woo! That's the boy right there. Yeah. So yeah, everything's looking good. Guys, check out this camber.
Look at this.
Holy fuck. It's not crazy compared to, you know, other wheel setups that I've seen, but for me, that's actually a pretty decent amount of camber, so. What's this?
Test pipe.
Oh, test pipe. For what?
This was the rasp.
That's supposed to be.
Rasp.
What's up, dude? How's it going?
Quite the crib you got here.
Yeah, right. Fucking MTV Cribs, bro. We decided to take the cars out and get some clips here at, what is this? No.
Sammamish.
Sammamish High School. This is pretty legit. Tom's got the Ronin. We're gonna be setting it up for the GH5 here. Stay strapped.
Always assembled, you know?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, we don't got time to be assembling it on the
Nice.
shoot.
Yeah, I feel that though. For real. That's a fat battery. That's a different battery.
Really? Is it a different battery?
Yeah,
Yeah, that is-
it looks way bigger than mine. Yeah,
Oh,
well,
really?
it's probably newer.
It's double the size.
I bet. Yeah.
Oh, I never really had to charge it.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
It's just.
Like
Yeah,
I charged
it'd
it
be
once
good.
and it lasts me like, I don't know, like 5 shoots or something.
Damn, boy.
Yeah.
I'll be sitting. Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just shoot this thing. All right, I don't think the GH5 is gonna work with these bolts here. It's unfortunate, but the GH5 has a really short thread pitch inside, and so it doesn't go all the way in. So we're just gonna have to use the A7
A7
III.
dude. Yeah, Mark III.
Oh
dude.
my god, that is a dream of a camera to shoot on. I can't wait to do it.
Shut the fuck up, you shot on it so many times.
Dude, no, I use the A7 III.
Same thing. Whatever.
This spot, so prime. We just shot some video on the A7 III with the Ronin, looking primo. We're got the car here now, right in front of Sammamish High School, and it's looking really prime right there. Of course, there's a sign there. Oof. Ooh. It's a good spot, guys. I really like Bellevue. It's so pretty. But yeah, the car's looking a little bit better too, just because of all this. And actually improved handling, so that's great. It feels really good to drive. I'm so excited. There's Ray over there. And then Thomas is packing up the Ronin with the STI there. But yeah. We are about to go ahead and hit this car meet real quick. It's at Merrimore Park in Redmond. It's gonna be cool. There's a lot of people probably gonna be there. Thomas has a spot reserved.
Oh, hi guys. Hi.
What's up?
What's going on?
So he's gonna lead us in there, and then we're just gonna follow and kind of just park right next to him. Here, I think we're here. Looks like there's a lot of cars out here, so I'm not quite sure. I haven't seen any. Oh, there's some modified cars in front of us. Right in front of Thomas here. Oh, there's an NSX right there. Fuck yeah, dude. Some BRZs and shit. Dude, this is gonna be a good meet. Ooh, pops. Yeah, guys. Oof. I like it. I like what I'm seeing so far. Got Ray behind me. Alrighty, we're pulling up right now. I can see a lot of Stancy boys over here. This is gonna be a good meet for sure. Oh my god. There's one from Atypical, I think. Oh my god. These speed bumps, though, kind of got us fucked up. Got a lot of cars out here. It's crazy. Woo! Dang. Got some S2000s. R32? Yeah. Ooh, this thing's kind of sick. It's baggy, boy. I have no idea where we're supposed to park, so we're kind of just checking it out here. I'm just gonna follow Thomas. Yo, don't tell me, is this Michael's GSX? Oh my god, that's my boy right here. I wonder where he is though. Side. But yeah, Ray's parking next to me. Where my boys at? There's Introvertical right there. There's Andy's car. Fucking beautiful.
Why is everybody using mine?
Yeah. The new Instagram decals are going on right now.
Trying to get it off.
Yeah, trying to get the transfer tape off.
I know.
Hello.
Hey, should I film?
What's up?
Should I film? It looks
Yeah, if you want. You got the Ronin.
pretty hot right now, dude.
Yeah, I know it's popping.
I might.
I lost you for a second.
Oh, I know.
Ooh, yo.
Leave the whole thing in the pocket. Let people search for it. I mean, like, if you can. Yep.
And you do one side. You don't need to do two.
Oh, everybody got new banners. Ugh, look at these baggy booties. Crazy ass. God damn. Yeah, I thought so too.
We're gonna give him the camera.
Oh, okay. Bet, yeah.
No, I can't be no.
Come on,
Oh
dude.
shit, now they're gathering around the Accord already. That was quick, bro. Let's go. What's his face? Oh, dude, there's Q's car. Beautiful. Hey, it's my boy. What's up, dude? How's it going?
No problem.
Oh yeah, eat that sandwich. Excuse me. It's cute! Yo! The boys are here. No, I haven't yet, but we're going to soon. Yo, yeah.
Yo.
Oh, dude. What's up, man? How's it going? Oh, look who I found. Hell yeah. Look at this man's. Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Chilling.
This is a great turnout.
Dude, I know. There's a lot of people out here.
There are.
Alrighty guys, I think we're kind of over this car meet here, so we're just gonna get out of here.